Hey guys, so it is, can't see that, 7:47 and Saturday morning. I'm not even going to show you what I look like because it looks a hot mess, but this is last night's mess. I need to clean it up. I made cupcakes like last minute because I had a major sweet tooth, so I need to put these away. I hate how they get really sticky. Then I need to clean up the kitchen. I want to show Shannon, this is my catch-all counter space. So she had like this one and she posted on Facebook, so I wanted to show mine. So this is our catch-all right here. We have like a flashlight, I think a crackers. This is like random mail. Those are alphabet letters we usually put on the fridge, but Noah will go by and like scrape them all off and they'll be all over the floor. I have a bag of chips. Look, we have a empty thing of cheese. Actually, yuck. There's no cheese. I need to pick that up now. Flushables. Gum. My keys. A lighter. The stand. Some funky tools. More cookies. This, when I clean it all up, you know, I just wanted this to have like mail and stuff in it, but that didn't happen. So, oh, thank you, Noah. Yeah, and this is like was our first catch-all place. Like, it's all like where my husband would put stuff from work. Thank you. Now we can see. Oh, look, there's sunflower seeds. Look at that. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Look, and I got potatoes for dinner tonight. Here's some school pictures. So CD. Yeah, we've just got tons of stuff over here. Insurance, books, mail, Food Network books. Yeah. So I'm going to diapers left over from the beach. I'm going to start cleaning. Oh, fix dinner. Yes, I'm going to fix dinner at 7:30 a.m. I'm going to fix breakfast, clean up, and then I gotta go to Target because today's Jackie's shower. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Noah, you say bye. Say bye. Say bye. You're blinded, everybody. Say close your eyes. Say close your eyes. Oh goodness, I can't see. Alright, so it is 9:22 and I just finished. I still look like crap, so just excuse me, but I just finished washing dishes and all that good stuff and washing diapers. But our DVD player just broke, I guess, or stopped working. We have the combo DVD player and VHS player, so I don't know if anybody remembers what these are. This is the case. Look at this bad boy. So we have a box of VHS tapes out in our garage. I love this movie. And this one. So I just went out there and got them. And so we're watching this one right now. It's the only one that has the case. But yeah. Gosh. It wasn't rewound. Excuse me, I had to itch my face. We had to rewind it. So I guess you don't realize how awesome DVDs are until you have to rewind a VHS. But yeah, so that's what we're doing now. I'll probably head out in a little bit to Target to get Jackie's gift. So shower's at 2. So I'm gonna go get the diapers and I gotta soak them a little bit. But I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. What are you playing? Lego Merry Christmas. Is it easier than regular Rock Band? Alright, so here's my diapers. I just washed them yesterday and today. This is my first set. I got a whole nother thing to do. This is when you get really behind and you end up using all your diapers. Got my light on. Now, I asked a question on Facebook before about soap gun, and our bathtub is, I don't know what he said this was. I can't remember, but it's not like a regular bathtub where you can get, like, this is just regular walls. So sometimes they only get like the Tilex spray thing that sprays, but it's something that we have to spray ourselves. So, but it's, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just because when I wash my hair, the conditioner like sits right here and that's what it gets stuck on. But I just finished scrubbing it. But I'm going to put my diapers in. Noah's watching Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. What are you watching, Noah? What is that? Are they turtles?
Yeah.
Are they turtles? What are you doing? What are you doing for the 17,000th time today? What is that, soap? Alright, wash them. Wash them. Put them in the water. Put them in the water. Not on the floor. Put them on the water. Alright, wash your hands. There's stuff with washing his hands. Clean. I'm gonna hang them out in the sun. Hopefully they have some. Just be out there. Alright, so we're gonna do this. I think I'm gonna go try and make Jackie a baby star card. See if I can do it. Bye guys. What is it?
It's fire. Is it fire?
Yeah?
Tomorrow's good.
Look at all your junk. We gotta clean out your room. So I'm thinking, you wanna clean your room?
I don't know where.
Yeah, look at all those cards. These are all cards.
Picture.
Really?
Is that 97?
No, I don't know. So I'm thinking about doing rotation of toys. I think Candid Mommy does it. I think she said she does it. She was gonna try it one. But like take those toys and put them in like little Tupperware bins, like that blue one right there. Get like 2 or 3, and then I can just rotate out his toys, so then he'll be more excited to play with them. Well, I mean, he is still excited to play with them, but it's just too much in here. And it's a really nice sized room, but once we move his bed back in here, he's not gonna, it's, you know, it's really, we put it over there, like, that's where we put his mattress one time against the bed rail, just to see if he would sleep in here, and we put him to sleep in here, but then he got up screaming in the middle of the night, which he doesn't get up in the middle of the night anymore, so, I don't know. Is that a bus?
Nope, but it's a choo-choo train.
It's not a choo-choo train. Where's the choo-choo train?
Over there, choo train.
I see a piece right there.
Earlier.
It's a choo-choo train.
It's choo train.
It is right there. These are all of their white shirts for their 4th of July tie-dye t-shirts. And we didn't get to do them because we really didn't get to celebrate 4th of July because of the power outages around here.
What's that?
Be easy.
Okay, come here now.
My foot.
His foot. Say foot. It's 11:05. Just got back from Target. Noah's not in a good mood. Do you want some grapes? Do you want some? Mom's gonna go do some other stuff. You gonna sit and watch the turtles? Come on, sit down. Mommy get you some juice, okay? You see somebody's very tired. Alright, Mommy's gonna get you some juice, okay? Okay, so it's now 11:09 and I'm going to turn my wax on. So I'm going to wax my eyebrows because it's been quite some time. I need to cut some strips. But just want to show you, I had a jewelry party through Premier Jewelry 2 weeks ago. No, longer than that, because right before the night, the 29th, the night of the storm. And I got all this for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things for free for having the party. So I got this necklace, which I absolutely love. I don't know if I have it in the right back. Probably tops. I got this one. This is what I can wear like with everyday like jeans and a t-shirt kind of thing. So it has a little pearl of cross and then a little thing that says believe. So this is Jelly Bean. This is the necklace that I've been wanting for, I don't know, years. Yeah. Love it. And I just started wearing earrings. So I got these. Whoops. I wish I had focus on here, but. And then this necklace. And then this pair of earrings right here. So, that's what I got. I got it for free for having a party. So, if you know someone that sells Premier Jewelry, have a party because you get tons of free stuff for hosting parties. So yeah. And this is my other necklace. This is the first necklace I got with them. I wear it a lot. I like the really long ones, but so the water's come out of them again. So I'm just gonna take the water out and let them soak again in some more hot water. Yeah. Like this one is like so white compared to my other ones. Like here's that one and here's this is 2 years old and this is, I don't know. I don't even can tell the difference. Like our Bum Genius ones are just like so ragged looking. So hopefully the sun can get that out. If I can catch the sun. The sun is like in and out today. So yeah, because like I have like these horrible stains. So just remember, if you have stains, the sun will get them out. So, alright, so that's it for now. Hey guys, so it is like, it's 1:46. I am on the way to Jackie's mother's house for her baby shower. So, I'll probably just put like a picture or two in here and then link the video to her actual shower because I'm doing pictures and video for her, and the video is going to be on her channel. So I will put a link right here everywhere. You can just click on my face or whatever and you can go straight to her video. And but if it's not there automatically, it's because it's not up yet. So just stay tuned, and she will have it up on her channel ASAP. So we will talk to you later. Bye.
Tell mommy, hands up. Not me, shoot
I've seen
mommy.
this movie.
Shoot daddy.
Say hands up. Hands up.
Shoot daddy. Shoot Zach.
Tell him hands up.
Get him.
Tell him hands up. Oh, right in the noggin.
No, wait.
Headshot. You be cocking again?
You gotta have another bullet.
It touched
Tell
my...
mommy hands up.
It's gonna have a bullet.
Tell him hands up. Shoot him. Just shoot him. 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 I help you. I help you. Ready? Ready?
Oh, behind the couch.
You pull the trigger too fast. It's got no bullets in it.
It's behind the couch.
Say hands up. Hands up. You saw you.
Have y'all seen
Hands
this
up.
movie?
Yeah.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Matt, you broke it, Noah.
Look.
Bad. How dare you? You're
Daddy
in
fixed
so
it.
much trouble.
There you fix it. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Watch your hand. There you go. All fixed. Tell him hands up. Say pew.
You know I did that to you earlier. It hurts. No.
I'm tickling.
Stop it! Stop!
No, tickle mommy.
No. No, tickle Zachary. Drop my camera on my booby. Matthew, you're only squeezing my back. Matthew, you're squeezing my... Oh, my camera. Wait, my camera. All my memory cards.
Hands up. Hands up.
Now we're doing swords.
You're gonna hurt your hands. Hands up. Hands up. Stick 'em up. You stick 'em up.
Don't run into a wall. One sec, I was gonna say, where is it? His head was sticking out right here, the corner. I don't know if it did. I wasn't really looking, so I guess we'll find out.
Now you have to look at it when I'm doing it.
I can't.
I'm not gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit the thing. Ready? You looking?
You're gonna break my... I think it did. You're gonna break my camera. Let's not do that.
What?
Ah ha ha! Tricked you!
We don't need real guns. We have enough Nerf guns to survive. Paint them all black.
Huh?
Paint them all black. We'll be all good. If anything was to happen, we'd have enough safety.
Yeah, because a Nerf gun would hurt somebody.
Somebody would be scared enough not to mess with us. Look at Noah. He said, "Arr."
Oh man. What the hey? No. No, hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
Safe, Sam.
You're gonna get the car and head for the front gate.
Hands up. There's no if there's one in there or not.
It does hurt. There's one over there behind you on the towel.
Mom, give me that.
What? No. Say hi.
Resident manager handles
Britney's
the
high.
day-to-day running of the Drake apartment.
Are you sure this is our apartment? Yeah, it comes with the job.
What happened to the previous manager?
Yeah, why would anybody ever want to leave then?
Mr. Hartwell moved someplace warmer.
Now sign the contracts and get out of here. You got a lot of work to do.
Welcome to the Drake, the finest living in the city, home to 80 residents.
Hi, I'm Louise. Jane, nice to meet you.